Okay. I'm gonna teach you how to make money using your YouTube. YouTube is a video platform where you can upload a video, monetize it, and make a revenue. I'm gonna start like this. You type in YouTube. Alright. Okay. So you have to click here. Click here. Open it, and it will pop out like this. So you have to create your create a studio. Alright, go back there again and click it. Click on this YouTube setting. I already have a channel, that's why I'm doing that. Without doing this, once you click here, it will bring out just create a channel. So you're gonna create a channel from here. Create a new channel. Alright, so what do? You name your channel. I think I'm gonna name mine Fairly Technology. Okay. Okay, I'll do it like this. You create. Right, now we have a channel. This is Fairly Technology. Alright, you should know how to make your channel look good. Here you can upload your channel icon, and okay, you should have a channel icon, so when you create it, edit, it will now direct you to a place like this. Then you click on it, upload a photo. So any photo you want to upload, you upload it. So like for you, just upload and everything will be fine. So let me go back and show you how to set up the channel very well. Alright, okay, now you should customize your channel. Yeah, here we go. You should here is your art channel. The channel art is supposed to be here. If you want to get a YouTube channel art, you click here and you should upload a photo. It has a recommended channel art size, which is 2560 times 1440, that is 2560 by 1440 pixel, and the maximum file size is 6 megabytes. So if you want to upload, you click here and you go to where you put those channel banner, and you open and it will come. So that's it. Alright, so here should be your description about the channel. That is channel description. You can write anything, whatever you want to write here. Fairly Technology. Like this, as a channel setup for tutorial. Alright, I'm just giving an example. Make sure you write your description, and that's all. So the next thing is how to get your video to the channel. Once you already have everything set up, then you could click on this plus. Earlier in 216, 217, this place is like arrow, but right now it's just a plus and a video sign. So when you click on it, upload a video. Okay, let's try it. Alright, here we are. First thing, you have to set your video to private. Okay, private before uploading. Click on here, and you look for where the video is. Okay, videos. Okay, let's try and upload this. Alright, it comes like this. So here is the title, whatever you want to title it. My tutorial. Alright, tutorial video, and the description that is about the video. And here are your tags. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to tag your video properly to make it discoverable with very good keywords. Alright, I'm going to cancel this upload now, but once the upload is done, it's a process, and you will have to come here, publish it. You click here, publish, and your video will go live. So that's all for today, and next I'm going to teach you how to monetize your video. I mean, how you link AdSense to your video for Google to show it. Yes or no. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification for you to be updated. Thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe. Have a nice day.